Good morning, my sweethearts. I'm teacher Natty, and today we're going to start with our math class, and I'm going to help you with your homework, okay? So, first, we're going to see the numbers. Please look at here. I write number 1, the number 2, the number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9, and at the end I have the number 10. Okay, very good. So, you're writing the numbers like this, okay? Aquí están los números escritos, mis corazones. Por favor, los repasan y escriben igual. Okay, now, so pay attention. We are going to learn which number is more, is bigger, qué número es más. Okay, I have the number 67 and 76. So, which number is more? Yes, very good. 76 is more than 67. Nice job. Now, another example. I have the number 8 and the number 3. Which number is more? Very good. The number 8 is more than the number 3. Nice job. And the last one, look at here. We have the number 2 and we have the number 8. So, which number is more? Very good. The number 8 is more than the number 2. Okay, so we learned which number is more. And now please pay attention because we're going to make your homework. So, the first part said, draw and color balloons to match the number word. So, this is the number 2, number 5, number 1, number 4, number 3, and number 6. Very good. Well done. I'm sure that you can do it by yourself. So, the second part, we're going to add. Very good. You know it. You know how to do it. So, I'm going to say 3 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 4 equals 1 plus 5 equals 7 plus 1 equals, and 3 plus 3 equals, okay, you have to write. Please, here we're going to see our clock. What time is it? So, remember to write here what time is it. You know how to do it. Ustedes ya saben cómo hacerlo, corazones. We practice it all the time. And now, we're going to make what we learned. So the number 4, circle the number that is more, is bigger. Okay, we're going to circle the number. So I have 7 or 5. Which number is more? 7 or 5? Okay, and now the last one, 12 or 21? 12 or 21? Which number is more? Okay, sweethearts, we finished with your homework. Please see the next video here on your Moodle, okay? En su aula virtual está también otro video que les va a enseñar más sobre las cantidades, sobre el more, ¿ok? Les quiero mucho, les mando un beso enorme y nos vamos a ver muy, muy pronto por nuestra clase Zoom. Abrazos, mis corazoncitos.